Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to reset all network settings on the iPhone. So, today in front of me is the iPhone 12 with the iOS 17.4, but it really doesn't matter which iPhone you have or which version of the iOS you have, it is all going to work the same. So, what you want to do is to go to the settings, then go to the general, then go down and you're going to find transfer or reset iPhone, and here you can click reset, and here you are going to find reset network settings. So if you click on this one, you are going to be asked you are going to be told that this will delete all network settings, returning them to factory defaults. So it means that after clicking reset network settings, you are going to be asked again, and you are going to be asked for the passcode or the Face ID. And what that will do, it will going to reset your Wi-Fi settings, and also the mobile services settings. I do not have a SIM card in the iPhone right now, so there is no option right here, but this will reset your all Wi-Fi and mobile services settings to factory defaults. So you are going to lose all the saved Wi-Fi networks, all the passwords and everything that you have on your iPhone right now. So again, if you want to do this, general, then transfer or reset iPhone, and then reset, and here are going to find reset network settings. So just click on this one and follow the steps that will iPhone give you. So this is it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye!